welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery. This is a highly anticipated video. I have been asked so many times. Show the scissor collection. So let's do it. So let's start with my Fiskars. Fiskars is a great brand, obviously. A lot of sewers and such would probably agree with me that Fiskars is a great brand. I've had these for a while. I also have a collapsible pair, but that's in my travel kit. I didn't really want to get that out. But I do have the collapsible version for when I travel. And these are just really great scissors. They cut really, really well. They're sharp. They stay sharp. And they're really good. So I highly recommend Fiskars. Okay, so let's talk about these. This is this brand. I got it on Amazon, and honestly, first few times you use them, they work really, really well, and after that, they dull over time pretty quickly. They do come in really cute colors, though. This one I think is a different brand. Yes, this is Smile Scissors, and this is Beaditive. But it has the same problem. This one, the case kind of broke. This one I got inside a magazine. And actually, it's a decent little pair of scissors. I like it. So yeah, that's why I kept it. So these are snips. You've probably seen them in a lot of like Amazon kits and whatnot. My biggest problem with crochet kits is that they don't come with something to cut your yarn. How can you say you have everything you need if you can't cut your yarn? It bothers me. These are not expensive. These come in lots of box kits and Amazon Get Started kits and stuff like that. They're great for traveling because they've got the little shield on them. Not shield, sheath. I knew what I meant. And they're really good. I really like my little snips. I know a lot of people prefer them, especially if you have hand issues and stuff. A lot of people actually prefer these over scissors. I don't, because scissors are gorgeous, but I love these in a pinch, and I keep them with my tutorial stuff in case I need them. So yeah, I just wish that they would have at least these in kits. Do you guys agree with me? Do you think they should have something to cut your yarn? Because then it would be an actual true statement of everything you need. I don't know, it's just a pet peeve of mine. So these are from the Dollar Tree. And I gotta say, these are great. These are great scissors. I have used these so many times. And I've got several around the house. I have some with my crafting stuff. I have some in the bathroom to cut my bandages and stuff. I've got some just in my office desk in case I need a small pair of scissors. These are really great. If you see these at the Dollar Tree, they're worth it. Let's talk collapsible. I have a bunch of these, as you can see. Some are plastic and some really are metal. This one's metal. This one is plastic. I'm sure you can tell the difference. See? The plastic ones are a little less reliable and a little harder to use. But they're still good. You buy them in bulk. You can get them on Amazon. This one's metal. You can get them on Amazon, and they come in packs of like 12 or something. Here's what they look like. And I like them. I like sticking these in kits I give to friends. I like sticking these in my purse. I like having them around. They really make great gifts, and they make really great travel scissors. And of course, I recently figured out this little hole here. Stitch marker. Yep, that's what they're for. I didn't know that either. I figured that out this year. I've been crocheting for how many decades? Yeah. So, figured that out this year. But they have these plastic ones. Please do not get the rainbow colored, multicolor, fun colored versions of these on Amazon. They will break down, they will cut you. I've actually been injured by one of those pairs of scissors. They are not safe and they are not good. So stick with the either the fake metal or the real metal if you get these kind of collapsible scissors. So the metal ones, I mean, they're really nice. And yeah, they're a little bit more expensive, but not much. Maybe $1 or $2 more. And they have a little weight to them, but they're just so beautiful, you know? I love that rose gold. I mean, that is so pretty. So, I love them. Great for travel. These two I got in Bella Coco boxes or Crochet Society boxes. So, that's why they look exactly the same. Because I ordered the same box twice. And they're in my favorite color, turquoise. Okay, we got to talk about these. These are some of the best scissors. Oh my goodness. This one is curved, so you can get really close to whatever you're making. I mean, you can set it like right on top and trim stuff. Love these. These are some of my favorite scissors that I own. And this is part of that Beaditive company, just like these. But these are made well. These are great. I've had these for years. In fact, I ask for them every Christmas because they make great gifts. I like having extra of these. They're fantastic. So they come as a 2-pack, and they come with the straight version too, which is really awesome. So I love this set. I'll try and link this set below for you guys because this is one I would recommend. These are from WeCrochet. They are so sharp. Whoa. These are probably some of the best made scissors I have in my collection. And they are really, really sharp. I mean, this is gonna cut whatever you need it to cut. They come in those little, so WeCrochet makes these little starter kits, and usually these scissors are in there. But you can also buy the scissors separately. I will try and link it below if I can remember, because I would strongly recommend these. Okay, so you might remember when I made my video about the little notions kit that Woobles put together, and these were inside. So we have the little wee woobly scissors, which, by the way, they make scissors, so why can't they be in the kits? Yeah, still bothers me. Anyway, here's one that's open, so you can see. They are so tiny. They do work. They are fine. They have a little sheath, which is nice. They just need to be in the kits. And no, I don't think I will ever take the label off this one because I just think it's too cute. So these are my bird scissors that I got in my Hooks and Needles subscription. And as you can see, it's still in the packaging and everything. It's just so pretty. I don't want to take it out. But bird scissors are pretty typical. They make a lot of different patterns of bird scissors. I have a blue one upstairs. If I remember, I will insert a picture so you guys can see. And these are just really great scissors, and they're very, very precision oriented. So, I mean, they get really tiny little areas, and they're fantastic for embroidery. So I love bird scissors. Get a pair of bird scissors in your life. Everybody needs a pair of bird scissors. So these were in a Hobie advent calendar. I forget which year. And they are so gorgeous. I love them so much. They are probably one of the worst pairs of scissors I own. They actually don't cut that well, but they're so beautiful. I can't get rid of them. They're so beautiful. But no, they are not sharp. They do not cut well. And yeah, they're, you know, it's a good thing you're pretty kind of thing. This was also in a Hobie advent calendar, and oh my gosh, who doesn't love it? Look at that rock star. Or if you turn it this way, it's kind of a skull. But I think it's supposed to be a guitar. And I love that it's a guitar. I mean, how clever is that? And no, I haven't used them yet. I haven't taken them out of the packaging because I just think the packaging is so cool. But I do plan on using these. They are heavy. They are metal. Oh my goodness, they are heavy. But they're just so cool. I love it. I love unique scissors. So Hobby Lobby has these scissors that are flamingos, and I've always tried to get my hands on them, and they always sell out whenever I get anywhere close. So, and I know that Amazon and Hobie make really cool, like, unique scissors. Oh my gosh. I have an entire wish list on Amazon that is just scissors. This is how scissor crazy I am, because you can never have enough scissors. I think that is a true statement. You can never have enough scissors. Scissors are very important in life, and why not let them be pretty, right? So for Christmas, my friend Teresa at Critters Crochet, hi Teresa, she got me probably the most gorgeous scissors I've ever seen. First of all, it came in this gorgeous box. I had no idea what was inside. I should have guessed, but I didn't know. And when I opened it, I think my jaw fell on the floor. I mean, there's stars, and that looks kind of like a mermaid tail to me. This is so gorgeous. And I have taken them out. I have tried them out. They are so sharp. This is amazing. And I keep it in the box, and I keep it displayed over here on my desk so I can just look at them. They do not go with the rest of the collection. I keep them out to look at them. They are so beautiful. I think she found it on Amazon. I don't know. This was a gift, guys, so I have no idea if I can link this, but so you're welcome to take pictures and try and find it yourself, but these are probably the most gorgeous scissors I own. So I do cut fabric once in a while. These are my fabric scissors, and I love them. They are perfect for cutting fabric because they have that angle, so you can lay them down on the table and go like so. I love these. These are my favorite for cutting fabric. I love that it has that angle. They feel really comfortable. They don't look like they would be comfortable, but they are. They are really beaten up. They did not travel well. That is a shame. But they're great. And the craziest thing is these are not official fabric scissors. I got this in a really gorgeous rose gold office supply kit set. But I felt like these were totally fabric scissors. And that's the only thing I've ever used them for. And they work wonderfully because of that angle, you know? That's made for fabric right there, just to do this. So I love these. These are my fabric scissors. And anyone who does anything with fabric will tell you, do not use fabric scissors for anything but fabric. So there's your little PSA. So that was my very small little scissor collection. And of course I want it to grow. Have an entire list on Amazon, like I said. I get scissors just about every Christmas. They're great stocking stuffers, and I really love them. And they have really fun designs. These kind are probably like some of my favorite. I love seeing fun new designs that they can come in, like bird scissors, guitar scissors, unicorn scissors, flamingo scissors. I've also seen one that I swear was modeled after like a Fabergé egg. Oh my gosh, that one is stunning. I really want that one. Thank you so much for being here today. Please remember to check out the Facebook group down below, and have a great day. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.